We've left Willoughby. Solid day of driving today. Just done the Nullarbor. No footage. It was raining, windy, yuck. So we didn't bother with that. The boys have found the what they've called the Venus, a pile of rocks to play on.
The hill of rocks to play on. Hi!
Well, I got it wrong. It's a hill. Overnight rest stop on the Nullarbor, a place called Moondini Bluff, just before Mandurah.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
It's actually alright. Here we are set up, just a little overnight. I haven't unhitched. There's Dunnies, there's a few people in here. It's actually a nice little camp.
Yeah, but no one else is at it.
There is, there's people there, there's a tenter over there. Little camp called Willoughby's Spot, just out of Salmon Gums on the way to Esperance. Check that out today. We're headed to Lucky Bay. Kids had a blast. Here we are. A sick jump. That was better.
We made a bike ramp.
Righto.
Bye.
Go fast. Yeah. Last night we had a sick campfire. First time in ages been able to have a fire. No vids. Couple of pickies though. Big roast chook in the camp oven. Oh, still got the chicken for lunch today. Whew, it's so good. So here we are, Lucky Bay, Esperance, WA. Across the border about a week ago. It was Easter. So we went to Cal for a little bit. Spent 4 nights there over the Easter break. It was just mental busy everywhere. So we just went to Cal to escape. But Esperance was just chockers, couldn't get it. So now here at Cape Le Grand. We lived here 8 years ago, and this place was literally the little area around me now. I reckon fit about 12 vans in it when we were here. A little just gravelled in area, a little free camp. Now there is 52 caravan parks here, all little sort of indents. Here we are just behind us. Fully paved all the way around. 52 little individualised sites, little gardens in between. It's really nice. Toilets, showers. It's just no power and water, but really cool spot. No wonder it's hard to get into. I thought it was like it used to be. Half a dozen little spots, absolutely no amenities. No, it has changed a lot. today we're headed up Frenchman's Peak. This should be a bit of fun. Reenact a few old photographs that we've taken when Parker was, well, less than 1. We come nice and early in the morning to avoid the crowds, the school holidays. And yesterday when we drove past, there's a queue of cars almost down to the main stretch. So here,
And we're all doing it.
that's it, bright and early in the morning.
Because there's a lot of traffic.
Yeah.
Like 1,000 people are going to be coming up.
Giddy up. Let's go for a walk. Uphill we go. Steep, boys?
Yep, really steep. Pretty steep.
Keep going.
Yeah, especially down there. Yeah, look at the view, Mummy. And we got to look for those markers to get up to the top. Just have a look.
Such a good walk though.
It's like we're up in the cliff.
Yeah.
Mummy's saying
Yeah?
we could see the whole world from here.
Wow, check it out. Check this walk out. Let's come up this. The boys,
The whole way down.
the boys have all just come all the way from down there.
126 meters, I think. That was up there. What did you come up here? See the car and then here. Oh, this is a big one. Here's another big one. Here's another really big one.
The top of Frenchman's Peak. Check it out, eh?
I see a car. We might send the drone up, but probably not. We've got the drone for that.
I think we're bogged! Look at the bangs! Go! 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 Not even bogged! We're not bogged! I tried to bury her, but she still got out. Damn it. Little friendly kangaroos. So cool. Buddy.
It's going good.
So I just pulled into 4 Mile Beach Camp and it's really nice. It's all the sites are nestled really nicely into the teacher. A bit of wind about at the moment. We've got 2 good days and the weather is going downhill. So I'm really happy about this spot. Really nice camp facilities, a shower, a toilet, a little common barbecue area and whatnot. And about 400 metres down the beach. We'll probably just drive the car down there later anyways. But yeah, check it out. Nice little nestled in site. It's just the view coming up here is just cool. Check it out. Come for a little drive in Fitzgerald National Park and it's really cool. They've just paved the whole thing with asphalt, so doesn't take much to drive around, pretty easy. Nice little car parks and stuff to see, and the beaches. And
are massive. I don't know who they're expecting to be coming.
Down onto West Beach. There are pretty gnarly rocks down here. Dawson just threw his thong in the bush. We couldn't find it, so it's gone. But he doesn't care. Always just take 1 or 2 wrong turns too many. Down with the tyres and time to try and get ourselves out of this mess.
Not bugged as much as Willoughby.
On with our little tyre deflators. Yeah. Little bit wrong. Go.
Is that where it's bogged? I thought it was bogged over here. I'm pretty sure you bogged at the front, not at the back. I think you need them at the front. Round 2?
Dad's leaving.